How to fix TikTok cannot subscribe to your creator problem. In order to fix this, first of all, close your app. Now simply tap on your app for some time. Now tap on the app info icon right over here. Scroll down to the storage section and tap on clear cache right over here. Then head back and simply tap on force stop right over here. Tap on OK. Now close this. Now head back to Play Store. Go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Now see if any update is available. If there is an update, there will be an update icon right over open, but if it says open, that means your app is already up to date. No need to worry. Now for creator subscription, they have regional and age restrictions sometimes. So make sure that you have age requirements verified. You must be 18 or older to purchase a subscription, and subscription may not be available in your specific country sometime. If you're using a VPN, turn it off as TikTok requires accurate location verification option. And if the creator has not set up subscription or turned them off, the button will not appear. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily fix this problem. Thank you for watching this video.